Hello out there in TV land. This is PrivateCitizen. Making another video. I hope everybody out there is doing good. I know COVID, pretty much hit everybody in one way or the other. Hopefully we're getting to the point where we're coming out of it now and we can get back to at least a new normal. Get back to things as usual. But, with God's help, we'll all be able to make it and keep moving on. So just keep the faith. So back to today's task or chore. I'm going to be installing these chrome Goldwing emblems on the side of the bike. And if you know anything about me, I like to do things a little bit different. I don't like my bike looking, just like everyone else's. So although there's a stock template for these that shows you exactly where to put it, I wanted mine to be a little bit higher. So what I did was I marked right about where I wanted the bottom of the word to be. So I want it to be on the top bevel of this side case here. And so what I did was I put some painter's tape to show where I would want the bottom of the words to be, the word Goldwing. So it's going to be up here instead of down here. So I needed to modify the template that came with them. And so what I did was I used a ruler to draw like a new template guideline. So I'll show you that in a second. Let me put the phone down. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I needed to figure out exactly where, I wanted to know where the bottom of the words would be. So if you can see like the Goldwing, there's the bottom of the G. So in order to do this, and I pre-did this already before I started taping it, and I said, you know what, why don't I share this with the people on YouTube? So what I did was I just used a ruler, right? And then I just lined it up with where the bottom of the word would be. And then I just used a straight edge. You can use one of these, or if you do a lot of arts and crafts type stuff, you can use an X-Acto knife. And then basically what you do is once you get it lined up to where you know the bottom of the line, the bottom of the words would be, you just score it, cut it like that, which is what I did. I did the same thing on this side. And then now that gives me like a guideline or my own template. So I know wherever I stick this on the bike, the word should line up just above that. So I did that with both of them, one for the left, one for the right. And I'll show you how their template is set up so that if you want to just do it factory way, it'd be really easy for you. All right, so also it says you should use alcohol to clean the area. So I have this is 50% isopropyl alcohol. I don't know, if this was a bottle of liquor, I guess it would be 100 proof. Not that I'm going to drink it, but then I also had these wipes. Now these wipes, I don't know if you can read this. It says they're 70%, so it's probably better to use the alcohol wipes. It's 70% isopropyl alcohol as opposed to 50. But anyway, I'll show you the template, and then I'll put them on. All right. Okay. So according to Honda, the way this works is you just line up the template with the back edge of the bag and along this line here where the plastic trim starts. So you would just line it up like this, right? And then you're basically ready to go. So in the instructions, they tell you to peel the backing off, line up the bottom, the back edge with the back and the bottom with the plastic, and then just press it in like this. And then what should happen is these pieces, this chrome piece should release from the styrofoam holding it, and you just peel off the tape. Or actually, you probably peel off the tape first. I didn't check that part. Peel off the tape first and then remove the this template piece here. But for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up with these pieces here. So that the word appears right there. That's my goal today. So we'll see how it turns out. All right. Okay, so here's the alcohol pad. Just gonna wipe this off. And also the directions say you want it to be at least 70 degrees. And if it is not, that, you know, you want to warm up the surface with a hair dryer. So it's about 66 degrees here. And I have a heat gun that I'll use. And you gotta be extra careful with a heat gun, right? I'm not trying to melt the plastic. Actually, that still doesn't look too clean. So I'm gonna get a towel and just wipe that dry. Oh, actually, okay. I just wanna make sure that all the alcohol actually evaporates a smooth surface, and I'm not seeing that. So it looks like it's just taking a little longer than what I expected, but it is. Okay, so for me, I wanna line up this edge with the back and make sure that this blue tape mark is lined up just below this blue template piece. And like that. Check that, just double check. You wanna make sure. Measure twice, cut once. All right, measure twice, cut once. Okay, so that's looking good. So now that I like that, what I'll do is I'll peel this off per the online directions and just roll it back into place. Just press it in. I know I'm probably doing a lot extra pressing just to be sure, but yeah, maybe I'll hit it with a little heat. You don't have to do this part, but since it says keep it at 70, all right, now let's see how it looks. I think that looks pretty good. All right, so I'll just clean it up a little bit, remove the blue tape, and it looks nice. All right. So, of course, you do the same thing on the other side, and that's it. The day is done. All right, thank you all for watching. Be safe out there. God bless. Okay, so here's the final result. I think it looks pretty good with the chrome Goldwing emblem on the back. Do a little close-up. I did get these from wingstuff.com. I do get stuff from them from time to time, depending on how the pricing is. But I do like to shop at CycleMax also, because they seem to have like on a lot of things the best price, and including shipping. The other side, and there she is. All right, thank you for watching.